Samsung just teased One UI 8.5, and it's not a skin, it's a vibe. Floating panels that feel alive, glass-like depth, and motion that makes every swipe feel intentional. This is the cleanest, calmest, most connected One UI since launch. You're watching Touch Trove Sam here. Drop a like, hit subscribe, and let's dive into the features, rollout, and the real upgrades that will change how you use your Galaxy every single day. Let's start with the look and feel. One UI 8.5 is going all in on Glass U, eye-layered transparency, soft blur, and frosted overlays that give panels and widgets a natural 3D depth without clutter. Text stays crisp, colors stay controlled, and the whole interface finally looks as premium as the hardware in your hand. Animations get that physics-based polished cards glide, panels spring, and transitions flow like scenes, not jump cuts. Haptics now line up with motion, so taps, slides, and long presses feel purposeful. The quick panel is getting the biggest day-to-day glow up. You can switch between vertical or horizontal layouts, resize toggles for reachability or density, and pull up a floating search bar to jump straight into any setting. Media controls are cleaner with smarter device switching. The brightness slider is easier to hit with your thumb, and the whole shade breathes less chrome. More clarity. Personalization finally feels premium, not noisy. Shiny 3D icons with soft shadows. Depth-aware wallpapers that subtly move as you unlock, and lock screen styles that balance utility and calm. Always on display gets more granular layouts, whether you're a minimal time and date person or a widget power user. Widgets adapt to your theme while keeping outdoor readability. This update isn't just pretty, it's smarter. One UI 8.5 learns your patterns and gets out of your way. Priority notifications glow softly, so the important stuff pops without shouting. Context cards appear when they're actually useful. Calendar when you're on the move, timers when you're cooking, directions when you're heading out. Suggestions feel proactive, not pushy. Launch the app you need, fire a routine, or prep a split screen exactly when you usually do it. Routines level up across devices. Start a focus routine on your phone and watch it roll to your tablet, your watch, even your SmartThings lights. Set a night edit routine that dims your display, enables blue light filter, switches buds to ambient, and arms your home scene in one tap. The goal is simple: less fiddling, more flow. Ecosystem is where One UI 8.5 really flexes. Continue on Galaxy means your work and media follow you. Start a note on your phone, expand it with S Pen on your tab, and present from your Galaxy Book without exporting. Multi-Control 2.0 lets one keyboard and mouse move across phone, tablet, and laptop with true drag and drop files. Quick Share gets faster and more reliable for big videos. Media handoff just works phone to TV to tablet. Buds switching intelligently between devices with fewer misfires. SmartThings lives closer to the surface. Light scenes, room statuses, and device controls appear in your shade and lock screen, so you don't have to dig. Privacy and security are tighter without extra tabs. Clipboard scrubs sensitive data automatically. Per app network toggles and permission resets are one press, and more tasks stay on device to protect your info. Secure folder feels more integrated, so personal apps and files are there when you need them and invisible when you don't. Tablets, decks, and S Pen users, this one's for you. A more desktop-like taskbar, smarter window snapping, and edge panels that match the new Glass UI, lower latency inking for smoother handwriting, cleaner palm rejection, and upgraded PDF markup with shape detection and smart highlights. Dex feels more consistent across displays with better scaling and fewer UI quirks. Everyday performance matters, and 8.5 is tuned for it. Animation timing respects your touch, so it feels fast without rushing. Background tasks schedule smarter, keeping 120Hz smoothness while saving battery. Thermal behavior is calmer during long sessions, gaming, editing, or extended video calls, and the camera launches faster from the lock screen. Customization goes Deeper but stays tasteful. Lock screen widgets you'll actually use. Owl patterns that don't burn battery, theme-aware widgets and toggles, and layout choices that fit small hands and big phones. And yes, the new iconography is clean, cohesive, and finally looks like one family across the system. Availability is shaping up exactly how you'd expect. The One UI 8.5 beta opens for select Galaxy flagships in the last week of November through Samsung members in supported regions. The Galaxy S26 series is set to debut with One UI 8.5 targeting around February 25, 2026, followed by the stable rollout beginning in March. Expect stage waves region by region, with recent S, Z, and Tab flagships in the early batches. Out of the box, S26 ships with 8.5. Early waves should hit the S25 family, Z Fold Flip 7, and Tab S9 S10 class depending on region. If you're planning to jump into the beta, back up first, update the Samsung Members app, and watch for the enrollment banner. Betas move fast, bugs get squashed quickly, and you can always roll back if you need stability. Bit takeaways. Glass UI brings depth without distractions. The quick panel becomes your command center. AI gets helpful and quiet. Routines flow across your whole Galaxy. Dex and S Pen feel more desktop ready. Privacy tightens up. And the entire system looks and moves like it was designed in one breath. One UI 8.5 isn't chasing gimmicks. It's chasing flow. If Samsung delivers on this teaser, your Galaxy won't just look fresher. It'll feel smoother, smarter, and more connected from the moment you wake up to the moment you dock it at night. Comment your Galaxy model and the One UI 8.5 feature you want most. Glass UI. Quick panel tweaks, cross-device continuity, or smarter routines. Like subscribe and turn on notifications so you catch our beta hands-on and the full review at launch. See you in the next one.